Okay, we might have done this before, and there are a lot of screens, so like 300 screens. I don't know how they count. Let's see. We count. Oh, there actually are quite a lot of screens. Let's dive right into it. No variables, light and dark mode, which looks decent, I want to say. I'm trying to preview this on the phone, but the way this is set up, like frame in frame, it's not loading the screen. Not really convinced by what's happening here. I might have to pull some of these screens just out a little bit. You do have a solid design system from the looks of it. Plenty of components, kind of everything you need. So it could be a good start. I haven't looked, but everything seems like up to date using auto layout and stuff. We're just missing the variables for light and dark mode. Also, this is like super weird that I don't know why they chose to do it this way. I'm just pulling it out so I can actually preview them on the freaking phone, because that really gives you a better idea if this works or not. The charts are interesting, different, but at the same time they don't like really inspire confidence. They're a bit too perfect. This is actually interesting, but the choice of colors a little bit, I know, on the phone is off, but I like that they're going for a different look. So again, it could be a good start, depends, probably some user testing would help. Definitely I do like that it's like fresh and not boring like all the other UI kits. So they did invest a little bit in like custom components and stuff. So again, not fully convinced just because it doesn't look that great on the actual device. Like in Figma, I think it looks better. As a starting point, there might be something here. Again, it's not bad, it's distinctive, but also like it doesn't look that great on the phone. That's my only concern. But yeah, plenty of screens and a lot of like stats and stuff that you can use. So maybe give it a shot. I don't know.